Are you ready to throw your hands up in the air and call it quits with your WordPress website? Well, before you chuck it all in, you may be relieved to hear that you're not alone. A lot of people struggle to get their site up and running for one very simple reason: lack of actionable information. And if you fall into that category, then you've come to the right place. So what exactly does actionable information mean? Well, it's actually quite simple. It means information that you can follow without confusion. Information that not only tells you, but also demonstrates how to install a WordPress site. Let's face it, there's a massive difference between reading how to do something and seeing it being done, and a good demonstration can make all the difference. If you've never even made a post, then walking away may simply seem easier, but think of what an incredible opportunity you're missing out on. For those who have already started blogging, the opportunity to expand and transform their blog on their very own domain is an exciting opportunity, but one that sadly never becomes a reality for many people because they simply cannot get their head around how to get the site online. So what's the answer? Hiring someone at great expense? Not necessarily an option for the average Joe who's just testing the waters, trying to patch together a solution and making do. Again, a possibility, but would you really be here if you were happy just making do? After helping numerous people to achieve the outcomes they desire and succeed at creating their own WordPress website, we think we have the answer. We believe that the best way to succeed when creating your own WordPress site is to have a visual, step-by-step guide that walks you through every single step necessary so that you produce a quality site quickly and simply. So that's why we've created these easy-to-follow videos. Just sit back and see how easy it is to take action and create a great-looking site fast. Within our helpful collection of info-packed videos, you'll discover the fastest, easiest way to learn and master WordPress. These on-screen demonstrations will help you to shortcut the setup of your WordPress site using strategies that make the process fast, simple, and foolproof, even if you're inexperienced with computing or suffer from a lack of confidence. Just follow along and you'll be up and running in no time. Reading about things that you're unfamiliar with can just tie you up in knots, and that's where we come in. By seeing precisely how to do the things needed to create your very own site, it makes everything 100 times easier. And that's exactly what this fantastic new program will show you. This truly is as close to beginner-proof as you'll ever find. Okay, so let's look at why this is such an effective way to master WordPress. Don't worry, this is not another dry, technical ebook that assumes you already understand web creating in depth and are 100% up to date on the latest technical lingo. Instead, this visual demonstration focuses on providing actionable instruction. In other words, instructions that you can actually follow to create a fantastic outcome. In this focused, easy-to-follow video, you'll find out how to get started with a 5-minute WordPress installation process, how to understand and use the WordPress dashboard, how to create posts quickly and upload them with ease, all about optimizing the site to improve search engine optimization, the simple steps to follow to create and add pages to your new site, how you can customize your site using themes for quick, easy style changes, working with widgets to make it easy to add extra functions to your site, the power of plugins and why you need them to get the most out of your site, how to add gravatars to engage more closely with site visitors and to put a face to a name, controlling spam on your site, how to add contact forms to allow visitors to post questions or feedback beyond the commenting sections, how to add images, audio and video to your site. There is no easier way to achieve success with WordPress. You simply push play and watch what to do and how to do it. Plus, we'll give you the best time-saving shortcuts. These simply won't be found anywhere else. So now, it's time to decide. Are you going to give up or continue to make do with a patched-together solution? Or are you going to take control and find out precisely how to make WordPress work for you? If you're ready to take a different approach to understanding WordPress once and for all, then take action now and you could be working on your very own site today.